Oh, what's up? Another beautiful week. Hot, beautiful Florida weather. We are here today at this job. You might remember it was 630 square feet. It was the one that was abandoned, left for a swamp. They finally got it inspected, and we're gonna cover and have some fun on the skid steer today. Lots of fun. Woo! We're done. Done with the swamp job. Got it all covered. It was 20 loads of dirt, not 21. We got it raked out, we got it covered. We took all the extra dirt that we had and put it around the edges to bring that up. So it's not so low. In the back was real low, so we brought that up a little bit so there's not as much flooding. We'll let the water run away naturally instead of puddling up. So there we go. She is raked out. Smooth, nice, and finished. I cannot even put into words how happy I am to leave this job. We're here to cover this job, and we're taking a little unexpected break because yesterday we ordered 2 loads of dirt, show up, they only got 1. So now we had to call them, tell them we only have 1 instead of 2. Now they're on their way with another load, but who knows when they're gonna be here. So a few months ago, when I decided that I wanted to go and purchase a skid steer, I hadn't been in business but for 6 months. I already bought a new excavator. So the thought of going and making another big purchase like that, it was scary. I've always been told you don't necessarily need a skid steer, which is true. Can an excavator do the job of a skid steer? Yes, to a certain extent. You can cover plenty of jobs. I do it all the time with my excavator. No issue. I've done it for years. Done hundreds of drain field cover-ups with an excavator. But as you see in this video, these two cover-ups, that skid steer saved me I don't even know how much time it saved me. What I'm saying here is, don't let other people tell you that you don't need this, you don't need that. In my gut, I knew it was the perfect time for me to get my skid steer. I got that right when the coronavirus stuff started shutting down, and was the future uncertain? Yeah, we don't. Nobody in business had any idea that the shutdown would last as long as it has, and it also none of us really know. We still don't know what's going to happen, but you can't be afraid. In business, I don't let things scare me into decision making. I go with what I think is going to work out best for me long term. I'm very confident in all of my marketing skills. And will things slow down because of the coronavirus thing? Will the economy take bigger hits than it already has? Very possible. I'm very good at marketing, and that's what I do. So when I decided that I wanted to go get the skid steer, that's exactly what I did. I took advantage of sales that they had going on because they really wanted to sell those skid steers. So I took advantage of that, and business has been great up until that point, still has been. So I took advantage of all those things, and I took my money and I'm investing it back into my business. And that skid steer is going to save me tons of time. We all know time is money, but as of late in Florida, time is your health. It's too hot to be out here late in the day and for long hours. It's just too hot. It's not healthy. So we get in and out really quick with that skid steer on those cover-ups, and I don't regret it. I love it. I don't regret it at all. So making that big purchase, that was the second big purchase I made in business. I don't regret it. So if you're able to make purchases and it's something you need, if it's something's going to benefit you, that's an investment in your business. Do it, man. Go for it. So those are just my 2 cents. Take it, leave it, call me dumb, whatever. But the skid steer, this video was all skid steer work, and I am so happy that I had that skid steer. So, all right, guys, that's it for this week's video. I really appreciate everybody watching. It was a very productive week. A lot of little things you guys may not have seen. Camera doesn't come out on every job, but we appreciate it. Make sure you like, subscribe, share, comment, leave us your feedback. I'm trying to get back to the podcast, I promise. Follow us on Instagram at Lakeland Septic Company. We're now on TikTok at Lakeland Septic Company. So if you're on there, you guys dancing. We're not dancing, but thank you guys. I appreciate you watching. I can't wait till next week to show you what we got going on. I appreciate every single one of you that watch. I'm out.